Well, hello friends. Welcome back to the program. Today we are back in Serenity and we'll be working on the kill command. So the kill command we have in Serenity is very basic. It can send a signal. If you don't specify a signal, it will use sigterm and it sends it to a PID. Now the thing I want to add today is the ability to specify signals using their names. So instead of saying like kill-9, you would be able to say like kill-kill or kill user1 or kill-hup, for all these different signals. Because remembering the signal numbers is a bit tricky, right? Like everybody knows kill-9, but do you really know all the others? So I think that would be good. And I figured we could also add kill-l. That would give you a list of all of the signals you could use. So that's the project for today. And of course we are in Serenity, so we're also alpha testing everything that we've been working on, which is fun, and I'm sure we'll find problems, but we'll be starting just by creating, I guess we can create a new project here. So wait, can I drag drop here? Yes, although it does make a copy. Maybe I should make a move. Delete. Cool. So let's see about making maybe Hack Studio project here. And I think we will grab the makefile from the little test project we used last time as well. So let's just I've done some work on Hack Studio since last time. I've done a bunch of work on all kinds of things since last time. So hopefully things will run a little bit smoother today. We'll see. So, okay, that's good. And then we'll just tweak this makefile here. So we can't use the Serenity regular build system because we don't have a CMake port yet. But we will eventually. But for now, we're gonna just make this little custom project. So can we build this? No, but that's because our makefile needs std C++2a. I remember from last time. So there we go. And the kill command runs. Very nice. So now we can just work on it. And there's a bug, by the way. Hack Studio tries to open main CPP always, even if it doesn't exist. We should probably fix that, but we're not here to fix bugs. We're here to use this stuff. So, let's see. So, I guess what we want to do is this is where we try to interpret the signal as a number. Okay, so I guess we'll make a list of all the signals. Struct signal, or wait. Do we have these stored away somewhere now? I feel like they're probably in signal H. No, signal numbers. Okay, yeah, so we have this list of them. It's not perfect, but we'll start with that, I guess. Ultimately, this should probably go in a helper somewhere that we could move to, like libc or something. But today, since we're in this little bit limited environment and we can't hack on everything at the same time, we're just gonna develop inside here. So, oh wow, that's a little bit annoying that when I do like jump to next word, like control left and right, it jumps to the next macro. So I can't like jump to next word to get here. That's definitely not very nice. So that's something that we should improve in the text editor later. So, okay, so what do? We make I guess we'll just make a string array. something like that. I can't do this. Okay, it's almost easier to do it this way then. Trap, Abert. Oops. This is exciting. Yeah, so we're definitely going to want to improve the situation with control left and right in these, because it's like, that's very annoying. And it's funny that like this program and editor has been around for so long, but I think I haven't honestly used it enough to start discovering what's annoying about it. So that's something that is awesome about just starting to use things. Dog fooding, you know? Can't stop to stop. I wonder if I'm making some dumb mistake here. I hope I'm getting all of them. Okay, so that's that. And then I guess we could even static assert here that the size of signal names is equal to size of cause char times n sig. Is that right? Let's try to build that. Yeah, okay, and wait, does this work? It does work. Cool. All right, all right. So then, before we interpret something as a number, I guess we can try to iterate this list here. So actually, if string, wait. We know that we have 3 arguments, right? Okay, so if is alpha argv1 0, so if it starts with an alphanumeric character, or an alpha character, sorry, alphabetical character, then the mouse wheel is a little bit sluggish. It'd be good if we could modify that somehow, because in the terminal we have a setting here, scroll length, and it determines like how many steps a wheel scroll makes, and that's really nice. And I almost feel like that should be a global setting, not necessarily a terminal setting, because now I'm finding myself wishing that scroll steps here would be bigger. So something to think about. Okay, so it's an alpha, and then that means that we'll iterate all of the signal names in signal names. Can do that. Okay, and then if strcomp signal name argv1, so they are the same, then I guess, wait, how do we want to store the signal number? And is 0 a valid signal number now that I think about it? Yes, sig inval, so it's not actually a valid signal. Okay, so I guess we can leave that there. It's a little bit weird. but it makes everything line up right. Okay, so number is sig inval by default. And then we don't have to do that here. Oh, wait, it's using an optional. Let's do it the same way he does. That's a bit nicer. It's so old school to have like a sentinel value that like, oh, this value means that there's no value. I find using optional types is like a bit more modern, and it just encodes your intent better in the code. Okay, so in this case, oh, dang it. The death of Hack Studio. Okay. Well, we'll bring it back. So here, let's see. That was a bit annoying. I guess I didn't save very recently either, but recently enough. So I'll have to investigate that crash later and see what that is, because it's a bit annoying. Definitely don't want your editor disappearing underneath you. So if strcomp signal name and the RHV1, then number is, oh wait, we need the index into this array. So we can't iterate with just range 4. I like that. Okay, and the number is I. Break. I wish that, like, when I type a close curly, then it would realize that the indentation is now goofed, but it's going to require a bunch of work on the auto indentation code. But it would be cool to do that and like have it automatically unindent the curly brace. Okay, and then we'll only do this if we don't already have a value. So if no number has value, okay, and then we'll say not a valid signal name or number. Okay. I forgot a paren here. Okay. Also, when I press build, we should really scroll this terminal to the bottom so that I can see what's going on. We need string.h for strcomp. Okay, there we go. So, let's see, kill, and I guess we'll start somebody that we want to kill. Maybe we'll kill system monitor. So what's your PID? It's 110, so kill dash stop 110. Stop is not a valid signal number. Well, that's unfortunate. I thought that we would... Oh, wait. I'm running the wrong kill. Desktop kill. That's still not a valid signal name or number. That sucks. And why is that? Oh, yeah, because of the dash. I gotta skip over the dash. So we'll have to start at RHV1, 1. Still not valid. Okay. Let me just make one of these things so that we can maybe print it out. Debug. Checking this guy, vs this guy. Oh, yeah, because here, I'm also checking that the dash is an alpha character. Okay, all right. Making a lot of dumb mistakes here. So now, did we stop it? It's not reacting and it's not responding. Look at that. Okay, so let's bring him back on. Kill Kant. Boom. That's cool. Okay, all right. Very good. And then let's just murder it. Still works like that. Excellent. Okay, so that was a little bit of a struggle, but I feel like a little bit outside of my comfort zone here, but that's good because that's where we want to be. Can't always be in the comfort zone, so I think we'll do that. And basically that's good. And then we should really like yoink this out to a helper function. So maybe let's write that helper right away. And then we should probably move it to libc maybe. So we can have something like int get signal by name. And then this guy will iterate through the signals. Because this looks like a libc API, don't you think? Get signal by name sounds like get host by name or something like that. So we can assert that name is not null, because that would be not cool. And return I in that case. Otherwise, that's a return sig inval. So it's a very, very C-ish API here, but I think that's okay. So then here we would just call signum, no, that's here. Okay, so get signal by name. Signal name. No. RHV 1. If value is not, maybe this should return an unsigned. Although, even more C-ish would be this. Something like this. Wow, this is such a C API at this point. Yum. So if value is, and we do nothing, so I guess if it is greater than or equal to 0. Oh, it's trying to use RGB up here. So let's see, I want to kill the clock maybe? PID 8. We can stop the clock. And we see that the clock has stopped. What happens when we can't? It keeps ticking up. I hope you can actually see that. But yeah, that works. So, okay, all right. This is pretty decent. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Then, of course, we should make a commit message just because. So for that, we'll bring this back into the Serenity source directory here. It would be nice when all of these like extra hoops aren't necessary anymore. But for now, they kind of are. So git status. Not the fastest, but it works. Git def. Looks very nice. I don't have Clang format here in Serenity, so I can't actually run that. It would be cool to make our own Clang format at some point, but that's not where we are today. So, oh, I need my editor, right. Maybe we should make a terminal editor. It would be nice to have simple VI clone or something like that. Teach kill to understand signal names, not just numbers. You can now do things like kill, stop, vid. Cool. Okay, I have to work on terminal too. I forgot about this issue. The get signal by name helper function should probably move to libc or somewhere where it can be used by other signal related programs. Yeah. But for now, this is pretty good. So, nice little session. And I'm happy with the little change that we made. So I think I really love this type of exercise. Like, it's so much fun to be here in the system, and it's really good to run into the issues so that we experience them firsthand, and now we know what needs to be worked on. And like I said, I really do think that I want to be moving into the system more and more as we go. So I'm very happy that we're here, and I'm very happy that you came by to watch and to hang out. So thank you for that, and I hope you saw something interesting. Even though the thing we did today was very simple, I still feel like this is very interesting because of so many things. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. I will see you next time.